guys, it's Jim Black of InstaMortgage here with David Jones. He's a MAPS coach and Bold instructor. He's also an area manager and influencer at Keller Williams.
Yep.
Where are you based out of?
I'm based out of San Antonio, Texas.
Okay, great and awesome. And can you tell us what you're doing here today with the team?
Today we're on break for our Bold Step 7. This is graduation. So all of these students in here have been coming every week for 7 weeks straight, every Thursday with a couple skips in there. And on the walls over here, which you can get those kind of videos later and show them, they've been tracking all of our numbers. We've been focusing on mindset, skills, activities, habits. All of these just going through a transformation to help them kind of level up their business. So, you know, Bold is a fully transformational program where we teach them new skills, we get their activities up, we teach them new lead generation, ways of lead generating, ways of negotiating, and really work on their mindset all kind of at the same time. So tracking their numbers, and they come back every week, they have homework every week. So this is a committed group. They've done a great job where they just come in every week and they've been playing full in. So awesome. It's a lot of fun to see it, and I'm always sad at step 7 because by that time I'm seeing them starting to bloom. And then I was like, okay, then we graduate. So I wish I could keep going. I kind of miss it when I get to this point. So.
Right on. Well, thanks for letting us be here today.
Yeah, you bet.
And we'll see you soon. Thanks again.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks.
Take care.